Best quality aluminum jacketing roll. Elcen Metel is proud to offer its best quality. Our aluminum jacketing roll is made from high-quality aluminum alloy, specifically chosen for its corrosion resistance, strength, and durability. The jacketing roll is available in different thicknesses, ranging from 0.016 inches 0.4 mm to 0.04 inches 1.0 mm. This allows you to select the appropriate thickness based on your specific insulation requirements. The aluminum jacketing roll comes in various widths and lengths, providing flexibility to accommodate different pipe sizes and insulation needs. Common widths include 36 inches 914 mm, 48 inches 1219 mm, and 60 inches 1524 mm, while the length can be customized based on your project requirements. Aluminum jacketing roll is available in multiple surface finishes. To meet your aesthetic and functional preferences, common options include smooth, stucco embossed, and corrugated patterns. The smooth finish offers a sleek appearance, while the embossed and corrugated finishes enhance. Aluminum jacketing roll is the perfect solution for insulating and safeguarding pipes and ductwork with unmatched quality and performance. With excellent corrosion resistance, thermal insulation properties, and easy installation, it ensures optimal efficiency and longevity for your insulation needs. You need more information, please contact us. Thanks for watching.